welcome back. 0910 students. 1.8 Intro to Solving Linear Equations. Welcome. Alrighty then. We're going to learn to combine like terms. Notice I put that in caps and in quotation marks because these four are like terms. These are unlike terms. X's and Y's are unlike terms. I'll show you how to handle that as well. Here we go. Alright. Let's do this. X plus X. Like one pencil plus another pencil equals two pencils. All right, that is really how you do that. So x plus x plus x would be 3x. 3 x's. One pencil plus one pencil plus one pencil equals 3 pencils. That's how you would do that. 13 pencils plus 3 more pencils would be 16 pencils. So you just literally add the coefficients there and keep the x. You don't do anything else with the x. It just tags along. 6x minus 1x. Now there's an invisible 1 here. It would be a bad habit to start putting the 1 there, though. You need to kind of get rid of that. But you can see this is going to be 5. 6x minus 1x will be 5x, but we need to get rid of putting that there. So this would be 5x. But 9x plus 2y. These things can't be combined. So if you ever have to do something like that, that would be your final answer for something. You can't put 9 pencils and 2 apples together and get 11 pencils. It's impossible. These are unlike terms. Now, let's do these where they're all kind of mixed up. So I'm going to color code these. Check this out. 2y. Now, let's switch the other ones to blue. So plus 2x plus x. Now, for you visual people like me, you can see that the colors go together. And notice that where the signs are, the signs in front of the expression here, so plus 2y go together. So 9y plus 2y would equal 11y, and then the blues would go together. So plus 2x plus 1x, that's, remember there's that 1 again. There's that 1 again right there. That would be plus 3x. Okay, so 11y plus 3x. I'll do the same thing here, except there's 3 different sets of unlike terms here. There's xy's, x's, and just regular old numbers. So watch this. I'll put the xy's in blue. I'll make the plus 3x in yellow, and I'll make the plus 9 in red. So you got the blues going together, and nothing else will combine. So here's how you write something like this. 6xy's plus 9xy's would be 15xy. And then we have plus 3x plus 9. And I think when you see that with color, it makes it so much easier to look at. 15xy plus 3x plus 9. Let's carry that on here. 12ab plus 5ab. That's going to be in green. And I'll do these so they stick out a little bit. Now these numbers, of course you can combine those and make those 8. Okay, so for the green part, we're going to have 17ab. And for the blue, we will have plus 8. Okay, and that's how you would handle something like that. Unlike terms. Like and unlike terms. But wait, there's more. You also get this question here, these 2 questions for free. You have to find the perimeter. Perimeter. This means a round measure. What I like to do is just go ahead over here and just put in what they equal. So this is a rectangle. So if this side is that, this side is going to be that. And down here would be 9x plus 7y. And probably the best thing to do is just to list all these out. And you can combine these. Like, check this out. I'm going to list all the x's first. So I'm going to take these first ones and write them all together. So I'll start at the top here. 9x, and I'll work my way around clockwise. Plus 3x plus 9y plus 3x. So if you didn't see that, it's this plus this plus this plus this. Let me get rid of those circles. All right? And then we're going to have plus 7y, 4y. I'm going to start running into my other problem here. I have to be careful with that. 7y plus 4y. Now what I did there was I took this, 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 and this. And they're very kind to you because they don't put negative signs in here yet, but that's coming soon. So I'm going to combine all the green. So I got 9 plus 3 is 12, plus 9 is 21, plus 3 would be 24x plus all the y's. So I got basically 7 plus 4 plus 7 plus 4, that's 11 plus 11, so that should be 22y. 22y. Now, pause it. See if you can do this one. All right, here we go. So I'm going to do this the exact same way, except this time I'm just going to list them all out and see how this works. So 3a plus 2b plus 6b plus a. And I'll color code these. So I'll make the a's in pink. Notice I'm writing the signs in front of those. 2b plus 6b, like that. So all the pink colors or purple or whatever color that is, 4a, and then the blues would be plus 8b. So 4a plus 8b on that one. All right, but with this you also get these problems. All right, now we're going to work quick here because I'm running out of time. Translate and do not solve. Don't solve these, okay? Just translate. That's what it says. And it says if a number is subtracted from 45, subtracted off of 45, that would be, okay, if a number is subtracted from 45 and the result is 6, then that means something equals 6 here, and it's going to be 45 minus n. 45 minus n equals 6. That would be the translation of it. Okay, we're not going to solve that one yet. And finally, yes or no, is 3 a solution of 5 minus x equals 3? And the answer to this is no, because you would have to evaluate this, plugging in 3 like that. I just stuck this 3 in for that x right there. And this is going to be, of course, 5 minus 3 equals 3, which is 2 over here. And 2 does not equal 3, so this would be a no. Have a good one.